I did add this little button or, I don't know, side thing here so that if you want to get to your playlist to see all your work for the week, if you want to get there quicker, you can just click it and it'll go straight to your playlist instead of going through all the other buttons. And then you come down and you have all your assignments. If you did not get to see the Zoom from yesterday, it's posted right here. So today your assignments are to complete the About Me assignment, watch how to submit assignments video, but I'm going to go over it on here so you don't have to watch the video unless you need to review it or see how to do it again, and then submit your exit ticket. So the About Me assignment, click on it. Here's the rubric, and then if you click this, it should open and make a copy. You can press make a copy. All right, and so, I just introduced myself to y'all, and so I want to learn a little bit more about you, and I want, you to be able to tell the class a little bit about yourself. So you can use the template that I've provided, the blank one right here, and just fill in the stuff, or you can make your own, put a new slide in here and make your own. Just make sure that you include an actual picture of yourself so that I know what you look like if I haven't met you. And then maybe some pictures of things you like to do, and then where you see yourself in 10 years, where you see yourself, what you think you'll be doing, anything like that. So for me, I hope that maybe I'll have my doctorate degree and teach at a college, community college or university. So then after you've completed this, you've filled it out and all that, in order to submit it, you'll go back to Canvas and you'll click Submit Assignment. You'll come down and you'll see all of this. So you want to click Google Drive, and then it would pull up your Google Drive and you would find the assignment and click Upload, and then there should be a button to click Submit. I always suggest that for the assignment, so you can find it easier, make a folder of for animal science so you can put it in there, or just rename everything. So like this was Seth, you could rename it Seth's All About Me, and then he can find it a lot easier than copy of All About Me. If for some reason you can't get your Google Drive, it means it might not be authenticated or hooked up, and so you should have this over here, and you just click it and it'll tell you to like sign in, put in all your Rapid ID information, and you put that in there, and then you should be fine. If you have an issue and need help with it, just let me know and I can help you. All right, and then your exit ticket is just kind of a check-in, see how everything's going, see if you need help with anything like that. And then tomorrow, like I said, we do not have a Zoom tomorrow, so for your assignments, you have an email etiquette assignment. So it's just a video, quick video to watch, and then some steps for you to take. So a lot of times when you email us teachers, we may not know who you are or exactly what you're referring to. So far, those of you that have emailed me have done a really good job with specifying those things, so it's been a lot easier, but just kind of to get you in the habit of doing that. When you email your teacher, make sure in the subject line that you mention what you need or what your class is. So, I teach 3 different classes, so make sure you put Animal Science 1, and then, maybe it's you're emailing me about the About Me assignment. You could put that in there also. Or you can just put Animal Science 1, and that would be fine. Address your recipient respectfully. We have a working relationship, not social one, so you could start it with Dear Miss Tar, or Hi Miss Tar, or Hey Miss Tar, I hope you're doing well. Anything like that would be nice. Be clear and specific, so don't just tell me that you don't understand the assignment, because with you being able to work ahead, I may not know exactly what assignment you're talking about. So make sure you're specific and what exactly you don't understand about it. If there's a technology trouble, you can include screenshots. That would be very helpful. Be concise, but not too brief. Make sure you include enough information, but not 3 paragraphs unless it's necessary. Remember that emails are not text messages, so please don't shorten words, and make sure that you use complete sentences and punctuation. And then sign your emails with your name. Again, your email is sent usually as a number, so I don't always know who it is that's emailing me, so make sure that you put your name. So then for your assignment, for the email part, it's just down here. You send me an email, ask me a question that you may have or be confused about, or you could tell me one thing you've learned so far this week out of any course, or something you're excited about learning. Once you've done that, you will click Submit Assignment here, and just type Done in the box, and then click Submit Assignment. Right, and then your last thing going to be to, and this is for tomorrow, read this article about personalities. So you click it, and it's just an article about different personality types. So we're going to talk about your personalities a little bit this week. And then you're going to take a personality assessment. So you click that, and you'll click Personality Test, and then it'll take you to this site. So if you scroll down, and so this is very important, so make sure you're listening to this part because it can be confusing. In order to take the personality test, it's going to have these boxes. In each box, there's 4 lines that come up. You're going to read these lines and then decide which one sounds most like you. So when I read those, for me personally, I think the one that sounds most like me is that I accept life as it comes. So you're going to put a thumbs up beside the one that sounds most like you. Then you're going to find the one that sounds the least like you. Like, that is not like me at all. And I do not think I have a very strong personality. Maybe y'all will say something different, but I don't think I have a strong personality. So I'm going to put a thumbs down because I think that sounds the least like me. So then you'll go to the next box. If you tried to click a different one in here, it's going to move your answer. So you can only pick one that is least like you and one that is most like you in each box. So we'll go to the next box, and then you'll continue on. And at the end, it's going to give you a result. So it's going to give you a letter that is your personality. So make sure you write these down and submit them in the Canvas, because we're going to talk about these a little bit tomorrow or Thursday when we come back together. So you'll just press Submit Assignment, click Text Entry, and then just type in, I got the letter B, personality type, or whatever your results were, and then you'll press Submit. All right, and that is it for Wednesday, and then Thursday we're going to come back together to talk about some of those personality things. Thursday and Friday, hopefully we'll get to meet some of you with your slides, and you can introduce yourself, get to know you a little bit, and talk about the personalities and complete a reflection. Any questions on any of that? Anybody confused on anything?
So we're presenting ourselves. So we're presenting.
I would like you to. So the idea is that your About Me slides that you send me, I'm going to put all of those together into a slideshow, and then when your slide comes up, you can just unmute and kind of tell us a little bit about yourself. That would be great. Samantha, why are you looking at me like that? You're not even in person. Can't be that bad.
I still